Is this going to be a joke?
No.
All right, I'm not writing it down if it
I
was.
wouldn't tell a joke unless you're honest than that.
All right, all right.
And he hasn't asked me to.
Okay, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
We're sorry, Bo. That makes two. Thanks.
I'm done being. Go ahead.
Hello. Am I able to start this gravel pit? We run it for 5 months before I go to the planning board.
Questions for on the ground right here.
We're just talking about the site right now.
Let me rephrase this question.
Yeah.
How is it, and can I get for the record again, how somebody from town hall told you you could do this without any AOT permits or anything?
That's something that needs to be
Okay.
asked at the
Because
meeting.
if you had went the
Okay.
proper steps,
So-
we wouldn't be arguing about where the
so
wetlands
it
are
needs to
right
be
now.
asked. but
Russell,
at the
that has to
meeting.
be asked at the meeting. So
It needs to be asked, but at the meeting.
No, that has to be asked at the meeting. If you want to ask that question.
But can I ask it before you guys vote on it?
Yes,
Well,
at the
yeah,
meeting.
that
Yes,
not
at
right
the
now.
meeting.
Right,
Oh,
at the
okay.
meeting. We'll ask that. Yep. We'll ask that at the meeting, not right here.
May I ask about that pile right here? Are those, what are those? Are those old swamp mats?
Which one? The ones on the right in
Yeah.
plastic?
To the left, and then the pallets are on the right?
The ones on the left are swamp mats, are just long bridge runs so we can cross streams and stuff when we're in the woods. The ones on the right are cribbing. If you see the newer ones across the way, see how they're not right on top of each other?
Yep.
We put sticks in between so the air so they don't rock. So that's what those are.
Okay. I thought they were pallets.
Before you adjourn, can we walk over to that one and see how close it is to that stream that feeds the Lamping River?
Okay. Yep. Does everybody want to go over to that corner?
Line up with that telephone pole.
Okay.
It'll put you pretty close to the
Oh,
house.
yeah, I'm sorry, because I don't know about, I've got two different answers.
Who's Chris?
Two different answers here, one from you and one from you, about where the fence goes. Is it on top of the bank or not?
The design changed a couple of times, so, and I have not, he can tell you where it's designed right now.
Yes, it is designed to go on top of the bank.
Thank you.
Yes.
Sean's goal was to try to fence as much, having to go through this whole process now, we were gonna have a small yard, fence that, and doing this whole thing, we're trying to fence everything that we can now. We know any other changes, we'd have to come before the board.
Yeah, probably is.
So, can I just say then that on the other side of that is wetlands, the wetlands. Nobody wants to take. Oh, that way I'm just gonna write it and then
Can show us how far the wetland is.
I'm not rock climbing.
And this is per, was it DES that's
Right.
DES gave us the setbacks of the fence from the wetland because of the turtles and potential.
Right. So
We actually moved it
we had
in.
kind of exactly. We had kind of a back and forth with Fish and Game, and we have it now set back. I believe at least 50 feet. Yes, 50 feet, except immediately adjacent to the stormwater conduits in the water without exposure. So it does comply with the town required setback. So, and yes, 50 feet in most locations.
So that sort of distance of that ledge. Oh, that was on the other side. I was asking if it actually had the measurement on there of the corner of this little notch to the wetland. One spot was 100 feet, one was 130, I believe, from this existing ledge.
Now I'm hearing 75.
Pardon me?
And now I hear 75, right?
50s to the fence.
To the fence.
From the wetland.
Yeah, I'm talking about the existing ledge out front, to give you an idea how far the wetlands are beyond.
Behind it.
Behind
It's
it.
another 100 to 130 feet.
You want it right on the other side. Fine, but you can see
Okay.
when the leaves are down.
Trailers are going to remain, fuel storage is going to be where?
No fuel storage.
Well, you have vehicles with fuel in them, so where are those vehicles going to go?
We want to be able to use anywhere that is gravel to be able to park equipment if we're allowed to. We don't want to have restrictions.
Because, you know,
But there is no fuel, just to be clear, there is no fuel, oil, or anything stored, like a tank stored for that type of stuff. It would only be a car, a truck, a tractor that has fuel, a fuel tank on it to run
and
it.
you have a service that comes in and fuels you and leaves.
Yes.
Is there a space that you designate for the fueling?
I don't remember if he put it on the plan, but if we need to do that, we absolutely can do that. Yep. Yep.
Has the AOT permit been approved?
Not yet. I believe we're about to have it approved. We have the list for comments.
Please, can you share what comments might do? Where to hold that?
That's a meeting. We gotta do that at the meeting.
Question?
Yep.
Meeting
We gotta do it in front of all of us.
Fair
Only
enough.
physical
Yep.
things we talked
So-
about today.
If I don't ask it, can you guys?
Yeah,